In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a referral program in Beehiiv. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple path to reward your readers for bringing in new subscribers, so you can grow your newsletter faster with less effort. Start on your Beehiiv dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see your audience, recent posts, and performance at a glance. Make sure you're signed into the publication you want to grow. If you manage more than one, double-check the publication name in the top area so you're editing the right place. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Grow section. This is where Beehiiv groups features specifically designed to help you expand your reach. It's the hub for list-building tools, so it's the natural place to set up a referral engine. Inside Grow, choose Referral Program. This page introduces Beehiiv's built-in system for tracking who refers whom, how many successful signups each reader generates, and which incentives are driving the most activity. Think of it as a scoreboard and control panel combined. Now, select Create Your First Reward. Rewards are what your readers can earn by referring friends. You can set one reward or several tiers that unlock as people hit higher referral counts. A good approach is to start with a low bar, high delight reward, something achievable after just a few referrals. Then add more premium rewards at higher milestones. Digital rewards like exclusive content, a shout-out, or a downloadable resource are easy to fulfill. Physical items can work well too. Just remember to account for costs and logistics. Next, fill in the details. Give your reward a clear name and a friendly description so readers know exactly what they'll get and how it's delivered. Set the number of referrals required to unlock it. Keep early milestones attainable. Common starting points are in the range that a motivated reader can reach without much friction. If there's an image or graphic, choose something recognizable and on-brand. If your reward has any conditions, such as limited availability or delivery timelines, note them here to set the right expectations. Clarity reduces support questions later and helps your audience trust the process. When you're happy with everything, save your work. Saving locks in the milestone and adds it to your referral program. From here, Beehiiv will handle tracking and attribution in the background, so you can focus on creating great content. You can come back anytime to refine reward names, adjust thresholds, or add new tiers as your program gains traction. That's it. You've set up a referral framework that turns loyal readers into growth partners, all within Beehiiv's dashboard.